Okay, I just want to write the way, I mean, all the basic syntax to save my time. Okay, I'll just do my everything out here. Okay, and also I think in our previous session we have something which is not working, right? What is it? It is this one. This one. This one, right? This one is not applying the same properties which H4. You haven't written any styles for it. For this H4, we'll write ourselves. How we are going to write the inline stylings using style attribute. Okay. This is H4. Yeah, this the color is red, right? It is applying. Now I'm gonna write H4 color. It's already red here, so I'm gonna change this to blue. ALUE blue. Okay, and I'm gonna write H4 here as well. H4, and what is the thing over here? Color. Okay. Now if you try to check, which is taking high priority inline. Okay, I'll uncheck this inline, and the next priority should be internal. Internal. Okay, H4. The blue color should be applied. H4. This one. It is applying yellow color. Sorry, orange. Where is this orange coming from? Okay, here we are using class for it. Okay, I'll just remove this because it is taking high priority. Now I'll try to uncheck this. It is applying blue, and if I uncheck this blue, yellow. Okay. And also important thing is try to keep this link on the top. See, this also matters. If you gonna pass it here, now I'll try to uncheck this, which is applying. It is applying, and there is yellow. Yeah, it should be outside of it. Okay, blue and yellow. Something is overriding H4. Again, the blue is coming. Okay, now it is the yellow is color coming. Okay, now you using the hierarchy, right? The same thing. See, and also see, if you are applying the same properties, okay, the how the browser is going to work in a sense, line by line. Okay, line by line. Now what I'm gonna do is color of black. Out of these two, which color is going to prefer? Which one is going to apply? Which one do you think it is going to apply?
Blue, sir.
Blue or black? No, it is going to apply black.
Yes, sir.
Because it is going to first apply this color. Okay, again we have given the styles for it. Okay, when it comes to here, it is going to replace it, override it. Okay, it is going to go with line by line, line by line. Okay, if there is any changes, it keeps on changing. Next, We'll jump into attribute selectors. I'm gonna save this. Attribute selectors.html. Okay. Here we'll try to discuss what are all the different type of attribute selectors we have. Okay. If you have a look at it, we have like a few attributes. Attribute, as attribute, as attribute. Next, attribute value equals to, and attribute value starts with, attribute value ends with, and attribute value contains. Okay, these are all the different type of attributes we are going to have. What is this each and attribute is going to do? Okay, each and everything is going to do the same thing. What it is going to do, and at the end of the day, at the end of the point, is going to select the element. Okay, now these are all the different ways. Okay, using attributes. Now I'm gonna write a few elements. H2. Attribute selectors. I'll try to add an image as well. Image tag. A few tags I will try to write. src is equals to. We have any images like within this folder. Inside HTML we have, images folder. Okay, so that we need to come out of that particular folder. Images. Inside it we have CSS logo, and the extension is PNG. /CSS logo dot PNG. Okay, if you are like facing any doubts, like when I was writing the code, please let me know. Alt is equals to, what is this alt going to do?
Image is not displayed, then it will show what name.
Okay, what is the full form for it? Alternative text. Okay, alternative text. It represents, ALT represents alternative text. Okay. Now we'll try to execute this one. Open in default viewer. Okay, we are like selecting the things, and we haven't applied any colors, and it is applying because of this style tag. Okay, I'll just remove it. I'll write my styles in internal. Okay, first I'll try to check with hash attribute. What is this hash attribute is going to do? How we are going to represent this? Okay, if you try to check, just give me a minute. Hash attribute. Okay, when it comes to hash attribute, whenever if you want to write some styles, okay, when it comes to attribute selectors, it is going to represent using square brackets. Okay, if you find somewhere square brackets, that means they have used attribute selectors. Okay. Now for this, what I'm going to do, we need to have some attribute, right? What is an attribute basically? Which you use additional information to that particular element, as well as which we are going to write inside the opening tag. Okay. For this, I'm going to write it as class is equals to head to anything like it. For this, which is the attribute there? Class is the attribute. Class. Now I can write my styles. Okay. I'm going to give my color of any color. Red. Save and reload. Okay. Now the same thing happening. We are selecting the element and we are applying the styles there. Right?
Sir, instead of class, we are not writing.
Yeah. Anything.
Anything.
It should be an attribute. That's it. Anything. Okay. You can use SRC. You can use alt. Because those are attributes. Okay. Next. Okay, this we call it as attribute. And also, like, wherever it finds the attribute named class, this is going to apply. Okay, these properties is going to apply wherever it finds. So commonly we are going to use class, so we should not use like class. You can use, if you want to apply for images, then you can go for image tags, any specific tags. Okay. Next, I'll just write it here as well. It's going to represent with attribute name. Okay. Next, we have attribute value equals to. Okay. Now the same thing. Square brackets represents attribute selector. Inside it, what is the attribute here? We'll take this image SRC. Okay. I'll copy the whole thing. Okay, and I'm gonna paste it over here. Okay. Next, I'm gonna write my styles over here. Sorry. Color. For this image, I'll give some height of some 300 px. Okay, the properties is applying. Absolutely. Next, what is this value equals to? Okay, value equals to, in the sense, if you are like selecting the class, it is going to like select all the classes. Okay, but when it comes to this value is equals to, it is going to check its value as well. Okay, with the attribute name, we are checking its value as well. Okay, it is going to check the value as well. It should be the same. Okay, if the value is also the same, then it is going to apply the properties. Next, I'll just give this same example. Okay. Next, attribute value starts with this is like a done element. So I'm gonna take another example. I mean another elements. I'll try to take. Okay, I will try to take HTML5 elements. Audio type. Okay, these are all HTML5 elements. Inside it, we're gonna apply source, and also here we need to add pass controls. Okay, these are all audio attributes. SRC and source. Here we need to pass the source, right? SRC. We don't have any audio file. We don't have any, so we'll try to download it. And as well as, and we need to tell what the type is. Type is equals to audio or MP3, right? Now we'll try to like add some sample audio. Okay. I'll try to download it. Download. It's downloaded. I'm gonna place it inside my folder. Okay. Now I'm gonna name it as a new folder, multimedia. Okay. Inside this, I'll write like paste it. I'm gonna rename this because the file name is too big and it disturbs the thing. So sample audio. Okay, the extension will be always mp3 sample audio. So I'll come back to my folder. I'm gonna pass sample dot forward slash next multimedia slash sample audio dot mp3. Now I'm gonna save this. I'll go back to our folder and I'm gonna reload this. Okay, we can see happening. Now I'll try to play this. Okay, this is how we are going to add the audio files into your web page. Okay, previous, like before this audio tags, before HTML5, it is not there. Like a lot of things needs to do, manually we need to do. Okay, if you want to add something into our web page. Okay, a lot of things. Okay, now this audio tag came into picture and makes things easier. Okay, in the same way, we'll try to make for video as well. The only thing which is going to change is the tag video, and here the video. Next, I think this is going to be the same, and we need to change this video because we haven't downloaded any video, and the type is going to be video or mp4. Okay, now we'll go back and download some video. Sample video, download mp4. Okay, I'll just this we have. I'm gonna download. I'll go to downloads. I'm gonna paste it over here, and I'm gonna rename it as sample video. Okay, now here instead of audio, I'm gonna pass video dot mp4. Okay, we're gonna reload my page. Okay, we have our video as well. See, if I click on it, it is going to play. Okay, and these controls also plays very important roles. If you are not passing these controls, the controls will not be there. See, no controls. Okay, without the controls, what is the point of keeping the video out there? Okay, if it is behind background video, if it is playing, then no controls is required. Okay, in that cases, we need to remove these controls. Okay. Next, now coming back to our attribute selectors, attribute value starts with. Okay, how we are going to use this attribute selector starts with. Coming back to this audio, we'll try to use this audio tag. Starts with. Okay, we'll use this type. The same thing, square brackets. Okay, starts with is going to represent with cap symbol. Okay, attribute name is type. Here, type is equals to cap. Where is this cap? Yeah, 6. Oh, it is not going to work. Okay, here I given cap and I gonna pass the value. What is the value over here? Audio. 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 Okay. Next, I'm gonna write my progress over here. For this, what we're gonna do is we'll try to like add some height for it. If you see, it is not applying, right?
No.
So what I'm gonna do is something, maybe the syntax error. Try to check. If you want to apply the height, 200 px. Okay. Okay, we cannot see any height out there, so we'll try to change the property. Background color we'll try to like use. Okay, you can see this at least. Height of, yeah, now we can see. We'll try to use this property so that we can see if it is applying or not. I'll just copy this and I'm gonna paste it over here. It is not applying. So what is the syntax which we are making wrong is something we are making wrong. Let me check. Attributes. Selector starts with okay, we are doing the same thing. Cap, okay, this side. AUDIO, AUDIO. Okay, fine. Okay, here there is not haven't anything. Attribute value here, here. Yeah. Yeah, we are doing the same thing, right? Okay, we'll maybe the audio thing. We'll try to change another attribute. We'll try to use another attribute. We'll use this class. CLSS class cap is equals to. We're gonna pass head. Oh, it is applying here. Okay, for audio it is not impacting. Okay, for this it is impacting. Yeah, I don't know why. Okay, because of the I mean, recently they have released. Maybe they might be have something over there. Okay. So for this, it is applying. And also, what is this attribute selector starts with? How this is going to work? Okay. It is going to check this attribute. Okay. Attribute value and cap, in the sense it is going to check from the beginning of the attribute value. Okay. It is going to check from the beginning. Now, if you try to check here, and have you passed the complete head to? No, we have passed only head. Okay, so it is going to like from the beginning, it is going to check if the value is present out there. Yeah, it is going to execute. Okay, if you like just pass HG also, it is fine. It is executing. Okay, next attribute value ends with. For this, it is going to be dollar. Okay, now it is going to check with end. Okay, for this alt tag. Okay, alt alt is equals to I'm gonna use OGO. Okay, OGO. See, I mean the same styles I have given, so that it is applying for the image as well. Background color is applying, right? How it is applying? It is going to check from the end. See, okay, it is going to check from the end. If it finds I have passed OGO, okay, I mean starts with, in the sense it is going to check from the beginning. In this way, it is going to check. Ends with, in the sense it is going to check from this side. Okay, next. And we have contains. This contains. Okay, contains is going to represent using star. Okay, for this and I'll create one more tag. Section tag. Okay, title is equals to, I'm gonna give something like TTR contains. Okay, now for this we'll try to like title is attribute, right? Here we are going to represent using star. Okay, is equals to, and I'm gonna pass NTA. I'll let you know. Okay. For this, I'm gonna pass some background color. Okay. Hello. Save and reload. You can see the yellow color over here. Okay. What is this contains is going to check, in the sense it is going to check the whole attribute. Okay, wherever it finds NTA. Okay, it is going to pass. Not only this NTA, you can pass anything in between this. Okay, you can pass anything. If it finds that, it is going to execute. Starts with, in the sense it is going to look from the beginning. When it comes to answer, it is going to look from the end. When it comes to contains, it is going to look for the whole value. Okay, if anywhere it finds, it is going to execute. Okay, understood? This is like the attribute selectors. Any doubts in it?
The symbols are the dollars, star, those are what it represents.
See, that is what. When it comes, it represents. See, if you use that select, I mean that symbol, it represents. If it is in the cap, in the sense, it represents starts with. The browser is going to look from this beginning. Okay, when it comes to dollar, it is going to look from the end. That is what the symbol represents.
Yes.
Okay, when it comes to star, it is going to check the whole value. Okay, what is this title attribute is going to do? generally what like class ID, what is this going to do? They are going to do like some purpose. Okay, what is this title is going to do?
Plus.
Plus. It is nothing it is going to do. When it hover on it, hover in the sense when you move your cursor point on it, okay, it is going to see, it is going to tell attr contents, okay, the value which we have written here, okay. When you hover on something, it is going to tell in Instagram you will be like you will be getting some image. If you click on it, you will see some names coming out there, right? In the same way, okay. And you hover on it, it is going to tell what is it exactly. Okay. Any doubts in this attribute selectors? No, right? Yeah. And also in this attributes we have predefined attributes, general attributes. Okay. I mean element specific. Inside this predefined elements. Okay. We have element specific as well as common attributes which we can like use anywhere. Okay. Any few examples for I mean element specific attributes. Example. Yeah. Example for like element specific or like anything. I mean general selectors, general attributes, common attributes.
Class.
Okay, that is our see yeah, that is for common attributes. Okay, that you can use anywhere. To any element you can use class and ID. Okay, but when it comes to SRC, you can use only for images or audios or video. I mean only a few selected elements you can use, not for all. Right? Those are all element specific. HREF as well. Okay, alt as well. Alt we can use only for image, which is going to be only for that particular element that we call it as element specific. Okay, these are all the things you have to learn. Okay, I mean the naming conventions. Okay, technical words you need to like use more, and you need to like understand what exactly you need. No need to like what I mean. You don't need to like by heart anything over there. You just try to understand that name itself. You can easily get the meaning over there. Okay, all of you have written the exams. Like this is it for the day. I'm gonna give some assignments for you. Okay, using this only you need to use only these attribute selectors. Okay, using these selectors you need to execute them. Okay, no classes, no IDs or no. Previously the task which I have shared you on the day, have you done? Okay, have you done? All of you done. Now I'm gonna check it. Okay. Now today I'm gonna share a few more using these attribute selectors. We are going to use. Once it is done, tomorrow we'll try to talk about combinator selectors. Okay. Yeah. All of you written the exam? No. Why? Okay. Okay. Today you try to complete. Okay. Like you will be knowing what are all the things the interviews are going to expect. You no need to like worry about it. Whatever you know, just write it. Okay, no copy pastings or anything. Okay, we are not in the college. We are not going to sit you and we're gonna keep you invigilators. No, this sort of things is not going to happen. Okay, this is for your thing. Okay, you need to know at what level you are and what are all the different things in how many ways interviews are going to expect and what are all the different terminologies we are looking. Okay, you'll learn new things over there. Okay, once the exam is done, if you're not aware of those things, please go back and try to like learn those things. Okay. And also what you guys want to do is from here on daily you need to like prepare like at least 5 to 10 interview questions. Okay. Full stack cafe. Okay, this is a website where you can get interview questions. Okay. Why I was asking you to like learn these interview questions in the sense it is not only for preparation of your interview, it is also as well as for your knowledge. Okay, if you are like learning whatever I say, that is not sufficient enough. Okay, that are all which we are going to use most of the time. Apart from this, there are many things which you need to learn. Okay, if you try to go over here, HTML, yeah, third line, here,
Last second.
this one. Okay, if you click on it, you'll find all the interview questions here. Okay, some answers will not be available here, so that you can just copy the question and you can search in the Google. Okay, so that there are many things you need to learn. Apart from this, if you are like going through this, you'll come to know what is this, what is that. Okay. Okay, that is it for the day. Okay, you try to like go through this, and also if you have any queries, let me know. And also practice. Okay, I cannot give you the templates. Keep on practicing. Okay. Chalo. And is that okay? If possible, if I gonna take tomorrow online?